It's another Tuesday and Software's Land is back with more completely random, useless facts about technology. So let's dig in. By 2025, the number of social media users in the world expected to grow to 4.41 billion users. Over 2.7 billion people use Facebook. YouTube has over 2.3 billion active monthly users. There are over 4 billion snaps on Snapchat every day. There are almost 2 billion websites online. Around 7 million blog posts get published per day. $5 trillion in estimated sales of products and services via the internet. 63% of online shoppers abandon their carts in the US due to high shipping costs. The online advertising market was valued at $304 billion USD in 2019 and is expected to reach $982.82 billion USD by 2025. Hackers attack every 39 seconds. 30,000 websites are hacked every day. WordPress represents 94% of all CMS platforms vulnerable to hacking. By 2030, the estimated number of IoT devices will jump to 125 billion. The data storing capacity of the first ever hard disk was only 5 megabytes. The longest word that you can type using a single row of your keyboard is typewriter. About 92% of the world currency exists on computers. The rest is in the form of physical money. The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in 1964. Every month, over 5,000 computer viruses are released. The original name of Windows was Interface Manager. The project started in 1982. The first webcam was used at Cambridge University. It was used to monitor a coffee maker so that the users do not need to go to empty pots. Around 80% of daily emails are spam mail. The first computer virus was made by Bob Thomas in 1971 and it was named Creeper. Once activated, it used to display the message, "I'm the Creeper, catch me if you can," on the user's screen. The first programmable computer was developed in 1945 and it was named ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It had a weight of over 27 tons. Most people do not use the scroll-like key on their keyboard as they think it's totally useless. Do you? Out of the top 500 supercomputers, only 2 are Windows-based, while the other uses Linux. We all have seen CAPTCHA on various websites, but did you know that the full form of CAPTCHA is completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart? A supercomputer named Deep Blue once defeated the renowned chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov. The interesting thing is that the move through which it defeated Garry came from a bug in its internal program. The deadliest worm ever developed was named I Love You. The most common password for computers is 123456. Thank you for watching. As I said in the previous episode of this series, make sure to hit the subscribe button because we got so much more to come. Wait a minute, so you're telling me you didn't watch that video? Don't worry, I left the link to that episode up there. Did you see it? Cool. I'll catch you later.